Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the gross margins page located in the dashboard. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplace is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The dashboard contains a page named Gross Margins. The Gross Margins page displays key performance indicators in a visual at-a-glance way using a dashboard metaphor. It is the most effective way to understand a relationship between your gross margins, revenue, sales, costs, fees, and shipping data points over time. These data points are a summarized view of a broad amount of sales data presented visually without the need to drill down to the details of the data. The gross margins page provides a snapshot of revenue, costs, and margins for the period specified and filters applied. Let's get started with the gross margins page presentation for the dashboard to learn more about this incredible feature. For more information about the dashboard in general, look at our video Dashboard Overview found on our YouTube channel. The gross margin page is the active page which we'll be reviewing for this presentation. The gross margins page contains revenue, cost, and margins about sales and orders for the period specified and filters applied. Before we go any further, we should explain what each series value represents. The revenue series represents the total amount charged to the customer for orders. The revenue series comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The sales series represents total product sales. The COGS series is the total cost of goods sold. The gross margin series represents the net amount or sales profit after revenue is tallied and costs are subtracted including sales tax. The shipping series represents the total cost paid by the merchant to ship orders. The fee series represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The gross margin percent series represents the percentage of the net amount or sales profit in relation to net revenue. Net revenue is a term we use for revenue less sales tax. Now that you understand the series values, let's take a tour of the gross margins page and explain each element of the dashboard. Across the bottom of the dashboard is a date range selector. Use the selector to choose a date range. The dashboard legend is located to the right of the dashboard. The legend identifies the visual elements used to distinguish groups of data within the graph. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the gross margins dashboard to view the available commands from the pop-up menu. Click on the line command transforming the graph from an area to a line graph. Click on the bar command transforming the graph from a line to a bar graph. Click on the pie command transforming the graph from a bar to a pie graph. I think you get the idea how this works. Click on the area command transforming the graph back to an area graph. The pop-up menu provides additional commands to configure the gross margins dashboard. You've seen the chart type, but you can configure series values as well. Go back to the pop-up menu series section and click on the revenue, sales, COGS, fees, and ship cost commands. The gross margins dashboard no longer displays the 5 value series selected. You are left with the default gross margin and gross margin percent value series. Tech note, gross margin is a currency value whereas the gross margin percent is a percent value. The values are of different data measurement scales and not comparable. The gross margin percent is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. All other value series are expressed as currency. In short, it is money. Go back to the pop-up menu series section and click on the revenue, sales, COGS, fees, and ship cost commands. See how easy it is to configure the gross margins page. As you can see, the gross margins page displays a variety of costs and sales data about sales and orders. Some final note about the sales numbers presented in the gross margins dashboard. The sales numbers displayed in the gross margins dashboard are order, not item level values. Take this into account when evaluating the gross margins dashboard. This concludes our presentation of the gross margins page from the dashboard. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.